Hey guys, so we're back and it's time now for Seafood Differently, brought to you by the folks at Stingray Caribbean Limited. Mussels is what's on show this morning. Chef Darryl is back with us in the Cup of Joe kitchen. Chef Darryl, for those of you who were following the show from, 2-3 years ago, Chef Darryl won our Star Ingredient Challenge when we did it on a Foodie Friday a few years ago. This is him here in all his glory. But why I'm also showing you this, guys, is that Chef Darryl made a recipe that he called the seafood platter that made our cookbook. And he used mussels then. So this, you go there and hook them mussels like nothing at all. You are accustomed.
I love mussels.
You love mussels.
Yes.
I really do love mussels as well. So it's one of his recipes already in the cookbook using mussels, but he's going to showcase another recipe for us using mussels this morning. Fresh mussels from Stingray Caribbean. Chef Darryl, it's over to you.
Well, we start off with a little butter. You know, I love the butter with the mussel.
You love butter. You love butter with mussels. You just love butter. You just love butter.
Yeah, it is all hand in hand.
Yeah.
And we start.
You have a little bit of French in you. Yeah.
Of course. Oui.
Oui.
We start off with a little onion to caramelize it a little bit.
Right.
Because that is bringing the flavor for the mussel. Right. When that caramelizes all the way, we start off, we have some red, yellow, sweet pepper,
Nice.
pimento, shadon, beni, everything mixed up in one.
All mixed up in one.
Yes. We ain't really discriminating what the flavor blend nicely. All right. We have some little seasoning to go with that. So when this caramelizes and the vegetables soften, you start with your mussel. You're coming down to everything, you know. We have a nice little surprise too, you know.
Okay. Sometimes, you know, people see mussels, Darryl, and they get very, very concerned that
No.
I don't know why. I can't cook that.
Well, mussel is the most easiest thing to cook.
Serious.
Yeah, it don't take long. 10, 15 minutes for the most.
Yeah.
Depends on how you're cooking it also.
Did you season the mussels or do anything to the mussels?
No, you have to leave the mussel natural.
Serious?
Yeah, because you won't get that flavor of the mussel.
Yeah, when you eat mussels, you almost taste the sea a little bit.
Yes. You have to be able to taste the sea.
Right. So,
If you can't taste the sea, well, that means you can't eat mussel. Something wrong.
Something wrong.
Right. See like how it is here now?
Yeah.
We add some white wine.
Some white wine.
To really bring out the flavor.
White wine and mussels
go hand in hand. Just like shrimp. Smell that. Mm-hmm. That's what we're talking about. All right, so that, bringing it to a simmer. Make sure that we have enough seasoning, not too much, but the onion and the pimento, shadon, beni, everything will give it its own special flavor together with the mussel.
Yeah.
And you know mussel ain't really taking long.
No.
The last thing we do into this
is a surprise?
Adding some heavy cream. That is the last thing we do into this. Add heavy cream, go and bring out that flavor. You'll swear champagne. You're eating here when you're done. You want what I like? Yeah, what we done here? Trouble and worries.
You serve this how there? Over rice or something, or this is a.
You can serve this over, well, you know the lovely jasmine rice, basmati rice,
right.
or you have some nice fettuccine pasta.
Pasta.
Oh
Toss it
yeah.
to some pasta. Oh my.
Mm-hmm. You're now talking.
Yes.
You understand? So when you get that and this come to a boil, right? You getting all that nice flavor. I feel you there.
Listen to me?
Mm-hmm.
This is a creamy the seafood mussel flavor come through there already.
And it actually blends with every. When you're using the seasoning, don't afraid to use.
Right.
Don't afraid to use. I see these onion and the sweet pepper is give that balance of the flavor.
Nice.
So the mussel within itself don't take long.
Yeah.
When this comes, if you want, you can put some cheese in it to keep it real nice and gooey.
We have cheese? I could go and grate it quick. I could go and grate the cheese, but some Parmesan cheese.
Oh,
my
yeah.
goodness. Yeah.
And if you can do two ways. After you put the Parmesan cheese, you finish.
Yes.
If you want, you stick it in the oven, pull it back out.
You give me real ideas there. Seafood differently as Darryl plates up his mussels and his creamy wine sauce. You can get the recipe, very simple, on our website, trainycooks.com, or please download the Quartz Cook app, and the recipes are all there on the Quartz Cook app. Quartz Cook app brings you Foodie Friday every single Friday here on A Cup of Joe. This recipe is one that I'm going to try.
You have to try it.
I'm going to try this.
If you don't try it, there are problems. We have to try this.
So plate it up, Dee.
A little thing there.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is seafood with a difference.
Seafood differently, we say, here on the Cup of Joe.
Differently.
Seafood differently.
Take off the fire. You don't want to get burned.
Veggies also give a nice color.
Seafood different.
Seafood differently.
Top off with a nice, lovely.
Chef Darryl, what have you been up to since you've moved on? You've left TTHI, you've now moved on?
Well, currently trying to develop my own catering business and pushing the flavor to people out there, because I try to bring local stuff to people and creating different things.
Yeah.
Because everybody say they're fed up with the same thing over and over. So I try to bring a difference to people.
Nice.
In the Caribbean way.
You, Chef Darryl, for those who may not have known, you really found your love for cooking late in your life.
Yes.
And decided, after spending years in the military service, decided to head to TTHI and qualify yourself as a chef.
Of course.
Yeah, that is something that you feel very, very strongly about up to today.
Yes, up to today I have no regrets. I'm very happy. I love what I do. And when I am cooking for people, you must put love in it. If you don't put love in your food, it don't taste good.
You put some love in that there?
Plenty love.
Chef Darryl Roberts, our star ingredient winner. We got to bring star ingredient challenge back here on A Cup of Joe. We got to do that at some point in time. But he was our inaugural winner, and he passed back in to give us some love this Foodie Friday morning. And he made two wonderful dishes. The chocolate dish with the chocolate sauce, some sweet potato and chocolate, for the love of chocolate. And thanks to the folks at Stingray Caribbean, these lovely mussels. You can do your own mussels in a creamy wine sauce. Thank you very much, Chef Darryl. We take a short break here on A Cup of Joe, but we're coming back. We have another chef to pop in, and we're also tossing some cocktails on this Foodie Friday morning, so stay with us. Come on back.